Hey there watching. Today I will be speaking to you about the structure. Now by the structure I mean the structure of a business. The structure of a business simply means all of the elements that comprise of the formation of that business, and this is dependent on a number of factors. We could consider the size of the business, the industry, the particular vision, and the legal requirements to achieve that vision. So when structuring your business, please do not be in a hurry. Make sure you carry out every due diligence needed and understand what it takes to get that vision you have set out. I mentioned this earlier, you don't just go into an industry, into a market and just do what you want. You'll create enemies. And trust me, we only want rooms for collaboration and partnership. We don't want enmity and unnecessary negative competition. So understand the market trends, understand what is applicable and acceptable in the market. Go with the flow. If at all you want to reduce your prices for more, inflow, don't let it be drastic. Be very selective when it comes to picking your team members. Don't just pick people based on nepotism and who formula, or I know you formula, or your mother's friend is my auntie. Don't bring that into your business. So you have to be very critical when putting together your team. You have to put together that team that will help you actualize that dream you have for your company. So when you set up that perfect structure, make effort to be present, physically present, structurally present, operationally present. Don't just set up the structure and just go MIA, go missing in action. Make sure you're also there to monitor the finances, monitor the activities, monitor operations, monitor the customer respect and customer base, and every single activity about your business.